All right, today we're going to be demonstrating an easier way to remember when something is horizontal or a graph is vertical based on the zero slope, undefined slope. Anya is going to do this. I'm going to go to the board and draw the examples up. Go ahead, Anya.
Okay, so I'm going to be fine. I don't know where to look. Is it right here?
Yeah. There's yellow.
That y equals 3 because the y-intercept is right there. And that means that, so this is, it's y equals 3 because the y-intercept is 3. And the slope is 0. Can I draw on here? Because it makes a circle. Get out of my video! Next. This is x equals 2 because it is on the x-axis. The point where it intercepts the line is on x equals -2. And it's undefined because if you had another one, it would make a U, like Jenny said. Like that.
A U?